BCA HUB video series brings together the latest video tech tips on wheel hubs, bearings, and seals, featuring the experts you trust. Brought to you by BCA Bearings by NTN. Learn more at bcabearings.com.
These are two replacement hub assemblies. The first one is made by NTN, which is an OE supplier and parent company of the BCA Bearing Companies by NTN aftermarket brand. The second assembly arrived in this white box with a 3x4-inch part sticker number and barcode. Both of these hub assemblies have their own journeys, but they are very different in the beginning. The journey a hub assembly takes to your shop is remarkable when you think about it. From the inception of the vehicle platform, engineering of the bearing application by an OE bearing manufacturer, to the transport of the wheel hub to the factory. Now it is in your bay and damaged by 1,000 miles of rough roads. As the largest OE supplier of wheel hubs, being present at the birth of the vehicle platform gives NTN a competitive edge and a better bearing in the aftermarket from the BCA brand. This is very specific OE engineering information that helps BCA to deliver a part that not only meets the OE requirements, but also exceeds your expectations. Even items you can't see, like metallurgy, microfinishes, and machine tolerances. When it comes to hub units, there are other hidden heroes, like the bearing cage, grease, seals, wheel speed sensors, and also the wiring harness. These items are engineered as a system for the application for the best longevity of the unit. How does BCA know? Countless hours of product development in cooperation with the OEM and the input of technicians. BCA supports technicians in the field with videos, webinars, and live technical support. This training resource has helped many technicians to level up their skills and knowledge to tackle just about any wheel end repair. Cheap hub units are typically reverse engineered. This means when they need to add an application to their catalog, they will obtain the hub assembly and measure the physical dimensions using tools like a part scanner. But even the most accurate scanner can't capture critical measurements like manufacturing tolerances, depth of heat treat, or the quality of materials for the seal. The metallurgy matters. Many manufacturers start with a steel that might have contaminants that can cause inclusions. Not only will the replacement unit have low quality steel, but the manufacturers might cut costs by reducing heat treating periods or not allowing the steel to properly cool down slowly to avoid stresses in the casting. Heat treating is a precision process that is expensive and time consuming, so cutting corners here is an easy way to cut cost. Either way, the inclusions and poor heat treatment could cause a premature failure. Another time-consuming process where corners can be cut is grinding and polishing of the rolling elements, and even the raceway surfaces. After heat treatment, these components are ground, polished, and super finished using a progressive process that produces highly polished surfaces. These surfaces are critical for friction reduction and have a big impact on longevity of the bearing assembly. You never see these surfaces unless the bearing suffers a catastrophic failure. So you have to trust it was done to spec. But the white box product, you have no way of knowing. The other surprise in the white box could be the wheel speed sensor and the attached harness. In the past, low-quality hub assembly manufacturers could get away with wheel speed sensors that were close to original, but advancement in sensor technology and accuracy for advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, have proven that close is not good enough in some applications. The wiring harness should also include application-specific grommets and abrasion sleeves that ensure a secure and long-lasting installation. And this is not always the case for the white box product. For your shop, it could cause a comeback due to false activation of the ADAS systems and multiple warning lights. Don't expect support in the field or even training. All of these low-quality brands are just a part in a box with very little commitment to you or your customers. The engineering of a hub assembly at the OE level involves engineering a part that meets the requirements for a platform or vehicle. Low-quality manufacturers engineer an application to match the original hub assembly without the benefits of OE specifications. They use low-quality materials, cut corners on the manufacturing process, and use less intensive quality control. The cheap manufacturers, well, they can get the ball on the green, but a BCA Hub assembly puts the ball in the hole. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.